Hello everybody, I'm here to show you a couple of items I got from Diamond Art Gift. They both come in boxes, fun things come in little boxes. So let's look at them real quick and see what we have. I would like to say thank you to Diamond Art Gift for sending some things my way. I mean, I picked them out, but Okay, what all do we have in here? This is a stand-up. Okay, so here's our stand. This does have a film on it. Make sure you peel the film off. It's on both sides because it'll be very clear underneath there. And here's what we have. Okay. Oh, look, I have a flame. Oh, that means my flame is gone. Where is my flame? My flame broke off. No flame. No flame. Oh, well, I have the plastic from the flame, but no flame. Okay, well, we got a candle. Anyhow, nobody will know that there was supposed to be a flame there, right? Anyhow, it's one-sided. Again, there's a film on the back too. But it's super cute. It's a little cupcake. They had several little cupcake type things. And it will go in your little stand like this when you're all done with it. Give it as a gift for somebody for their birthday. I think that's super cute, don't you? I think it's super cute. Too bad we lost our flame, though. Anyhow, you want a flame, you can make your own flame. All right, let's look at the drills for that one. And let's see what we get. Okay, oh, we got some fun stuff in here. Let's see what we have. All right, we'll start with the rhinestones. We have clear, green, pink, another pink. So a pretty blue, another blue, a lemony yellow, a purple, an orange. We have some pretty red, smooth balls. We have some pearly, did I say blue? Those are red, clear, red. Those are blue, iridescent. All right. Oh, then we have some small blue. Those are pretty too. And then small red. Okay. And then we have purple faceted and gold balls. Nice. Lots of round ball action here, right? Everything is a round ball. Okay. All right. So those are our drills for that one. I think it's super cute. Like I said, there were several different cupcakes and things, and I thought they would be cute as like a birthday present, for a child or something. That's why I got that one. Okay. Next. Smaller box. What do we get in the smaller box? I don't know. Everything come out? I think so. All right. Now what's in a plastic bag? And I think I just tore the bag. I did. I tore the bag instead of unfastening the bag. The bag's a mess now. I don't know what we got. Come on, let go. Okay, there. Well, we're clearly not putting it back in this bag. Okay. Come on. Okay, this one hangs. Here's our chain. Our hanging chain with our clasps at the end. All right, here's our drill tray and wax. Oh, yeah, this one's really pretty. Oh, this is thick, too. This one is really thick. Oh, sorry. Bang. I'm on the other side of the counter. I'm doing things opposite. I'm out of sorts. Everything's just out of sorts. Anyhow, isn't that pretty, though? It's one-sided. Okay. I'm assuming there's a film on that side that will come off. But these blue jays are so pretty. And this heart. Lots of big special drills on there. I think that's so pretty. This is really thick. You see how thick that acrylic is? It's one of the thickest acrylics I think I've ever gotten. Super pretty though. So these all came pre-bagged in little baggies. So let's see what we have. We have pink rhinestones, yellow, green, a couple of blues, 4 blues. Well, I mean, we got blue jays, orange, like a gray. There's black, a brown. What is this color? I don't know. It's really light. Almost has a little pink hue to it. Another pink, another blue, another purple. Okay, then we have special drills. Oh, look at those are pretty. And pink teardrops. We got those. Those are gorgeous. Those are going to go in these flowers right here. One of the flowers. I'm not certain which one. The K's. And these are for the L's. Okay. And then we have little purple ones. So all of these marquees are all of these flowers. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I like it. All right. So that's what I got from Diamond Art Gift, you guys. I will link them below. Let me know what you think. You can go check them out for yourself. So one hangs and one stands. We got a hanger and a stander. There you go. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody, and putting up with the nonsense. The videos this week are just going to be just a little different. But thanks for watching anyhow. I appreciate your support. You know, we're going to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new here, those kinds of things. That'd be awesome. And I'll see you in the next one. All right. Talk to you soon, everybody.